We are here to file an application to set aside the injunction order that they have obtained on 22nd November 2007 to stop us from going anywhere near the British High Comm in Kuala Lumpur. So we have our lawyers will be filing it today to formally set it aside. Even though it is only valid for 7 days, we want a court's decision to say that the order obtained by the police is null and void. It is an illegal order. Order obtained from the magistrate's court has no jurisdiction to grant the order in the first place. So we want the High Court here to give us a ruling on that particular order. So we are moving the court, the High Court in Kuala Lumpur, to have it set aside.
First and foremost, we are arguing that the order does not state clearly the place or the parameters in which people and those named in the order were prohibited from going. So you can't just say, okay, you can't go to that building. I mean, which building, where? You must say the address and that kind of a thing. Now, because of the fact that that is not actually clear, there has been confusion and also ambiguity. I mean, there are many people who are not even in the area, but nevertheless, apparently they are said that they are also subjected to the order. So the question is, I mean, to what extent does this order apply? And the fact that there is some ambiguity in it, whether or not the order is void. That is the first aspect. The second aspect is the fact that the OCPD for Cheras made an application ex parte. Now you will find that from his application itself, the application was filed, see, the order was made on the 22nd and the event was on the 25th. They had 3 days. What is what's the difficulty? If you have 3 days, surely you got in touch with the named respondents, Mr. Mano, Mr. Kumar. At least let them come to court, let them have a say as to how it is.
All 5 are lawyers.
That's right, they are lawyers as well. So we're taking up these issues because this is probably the first time an application of this sort has been filed in order to decide what the procedure should be under this particular section of law, under section 98. But we are saying that they had time. Now, of course, the complaint which relates to the substance is an interesting one. Now, the order says, and I read it, oleh yang demikian perhimpunan di hadapan bangunan Pusujaya Tinggi British. Okay, nobody knows which bangunan, whether it's the one in Penang, KL, nobody knows. Adalah dengan ini dilarang. Dan kamu, in other words, the 5 gentlemen, the lawyers are given an express warning here. Kamu diberi amaran agar tidak hadir, berada atau mengambil apa bagian dalam perhimpunan itu. So the police get an order against them saying, okay, you cannot come. But on the same day, the IGP, and if you all go on the internet, you can actually see it very clearly on the Al Jazeera interview. But I quoted from what Kathirajan says today. Now, Musa in a statement also on Sunday defended police action. He also said, we would have negotiated with the leaders for them to hand over the memorandum, but there were no leader inside. You see this statement smacks of mischief. Finally.